How do we know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Who is Allah? We know through his names and his attributes. How do we know the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Through his names and through his attributes. Unfortunately, a lot of Muslims today went astray in this category of Tawheed and the understanding of what it means. Some people will say that Allah only has 7 attributes. Only has this, or doesn't have any. Some says he has names with no attributes. Some say no names, no attributes. They mean nothing. Different ideologies, different sects, different groups. They say this. What has happened to these groups is that by doing this, you've basically taken all the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you've thrown it out the window. Whether you do it directly or on purpose or not, but basically there's nothing left. That's why a lot of these groups, they tend to different sorts of innovation. And then you go any country, and you'll see what I'm saying. Any country you'll go, you'll find, he'll say, for example, I spent a lot of time in Sudan. He says, I'm Maliki in fiqh. I follow this way in Aqidah. And my tariqah, the way I follow in different mystic things or whatever, I'm this type of tariqah, this way, and purify myself. You see what I'm saying? Why? Because he has something missing inside. That's why he needs this who and the dance and stuff like this. Because when it comes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he lost everything. He negated everything Allah said about himself. So it's like he's almost not there. That's why some of the scholars said, ta'budu adaman. It's like you worship something that's not even there, something doesn't exist. Okay, Allah, but who is Allah? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describes himself to us in detail in the Quran. He told us he has certain attributes, certain names. So when you focus on worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through these names, through these attributes, this is the effect it's going to have on your soul. For example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَلِلَّهِ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى فَادْعُوهُ بِهَا. Allah has the beautiful names, so make dua to him through it. How do we make dua? This is an act of worship. The greatest act of the worship, the Prophet ﷺ said, الدعاء هو العبادة. The dua, it is ibadah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "Du'uni astajib lakum." Call on me, I will answer you. The Prophet ﷺ said, Allah becomes angry at the person who doesn't make dua to him. And the best way to make dua to Allah is through his beautiful names.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Mimbar YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.